What's going on, gang? How y'all doing today, man? This your boy S. Dot checking in one time for the one time at work working. So anyway, man, I just want to thank and appreciate y'all. Before we get farther into this video, man, we still on the road to 3K. So I'm gonna keep needing y'all to like, share, subscribe, comment, and all of that good stuff. But anyway, man, I was going through my phone trying to make room for these coming up events like Friday, which is today, man. It's nice outside, ain't no telling what's going on. Then tomorrow we got BJ and Tony Balance pull up in park, and it was like, man, I went to go record something. I noticed I only had like 5 or 10 minutes left to record time, and that sucks, gang. Y'all know what that's like when you about to get into some action and you can't even get the footage. So before that happened again, I was like, nope, I'm finna go ahead and make room and make space right now. And as I was doing that, I noticed I got like 4 or 5 cars that didn't make the scene for some reason. So it's like, man, why didn't these cars make it? And I'll be a fool to delete them and not let y'all see the cars. So hey, without no further ado, man, I got another video for y'all. You know I got another video for y'all, man. I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. We gonna get right into this joint. But like I said, man, I had to make sure y'all see these cars because they was definitely about to get deleted, Joe. And when I seen them, I was like, oh man, I know these cars ain't never been seen before. Never. So let me go here and get back to work. And I ain't even gonna hold y'all, man. It's Friday. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. Hey, don't forget tomorrow, man. Tomorrow, we pulling up at BJ and Tony Balance second pull up in park. So if you missed it the first time, they running it back so you can see it the second time. But anyway, man, I ain't gonna hold y'all. I gotta get back to work. I'm gonna put this video up and hopefully y'all enjoy it. Hey, get your boy to 3K, gang, and don't forget, like, share, subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff. I appreciate all the love and support. I'm sorry if I'm talking fast. Hey, your boy at work working, man. That's what it's all about, man. One day, I could be a full-time YouTuber. But until then, man, I'm gonna just stay in my lane and just do what works for me, man. But y'all be smooth how y'all be smooth. Gang, look at the flakes in this. GMC, look at the flakes in this joint. Whoa. What? Oh, he killed him. He killed him with the wood grain. It's going beautiful. This is yours? Oh man, this is beautiful. Yeah, man, this brown, it's like a root beer color. This is amazing. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Joe, that's crazy. What? I don't think this engine supposed to be in here. I think this is an LS engine, man. This, yeah, they did this right. That's pretty. Oh, y'all see this joint? Man, little wheel in the front, whoa, big wheel in back. This joint spicy. God damn. What? I wonder who shit this is, man. A Corvette. What year is this, though? Yeah, this joint is off the chain, my boy. This joint is off the chain. What year is this Corvette? Godly. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, he ain't playing no games. Oh, he ain't playing no games. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. Joe, this joint here. I need it. That's crazy.
Stepping on shit like a capper. I'm handsome as fuck and your girl, she gon' love me cause she know I'm better than average. The glizzy extending, no small fry. Mercedes got 10 with the front gas. Ain't no way in this thing, we gon' know right. If you heard about my story, you might cry. See, I handle that pressure, but no better. And I really got something to prove. 50-50s and youngers with Berettas. If I get to Coachella, I'll move. See, I froze on my ear and my wrist, dog. Okay, see, running point like I'm Chris Paul. Balance weight on that scale like a seesaw. Better stay in your kennel, I'm big dog. Like I'm Neo, you know I'm the one. In the trap, I got 2 for the 1. Punch a clock like I'm kin to a Mexican. Don't you talk on that phone, cause they listening. Get them wet like that lake we call Michigan. Double back, they gon' try to back door you. So you better keep one in the head. Forget about ones who don't love you. I got my own on the throne. I'm really been feeling myself. I'm me without the zone. The back of over my head. I'm standing on shit like a ledge. My balance is equal, I'm good. Maybe I'm talking on. You know I'm all in the you gotta be my nigga lesson. Chopping the shit like a shutter. You know I'm you go with the game. You gotta be my nigga lesson. I might just look like a rapper. I'm stepping on shit like a capper. I'm handsome as fuck and your girl, she gon' love me cause she know I'm better than average. The glizzy extending, no small fry. Mercedes got 10 with the frog gas. Ain't no I in this team, we gon' know right. If you heard about my story, you might cry. See, I handle that pressure, but no better. And I really got something to prove. 50-50s and youngins with Berettas. If I get the Coachella, I'm moved. See, I froze on my ear and my wrist, dog. Okay, see, running point like I'm Chris Paul. Balance weight on that scale like a seesaw. Better stay in your kennel, I'm big dog.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, the pimp himself, Pimp Christian Louis Vuitton Jr. III, aka Pimp TV, man. My man S. Dot in the Lucerne, baby. Buick Lucerne, you know what I'm saying? S. Dot, kind of like dot. S. Dot like LaShawn Carter. Out on the job, man. Check my man out. Like, square, subscribe, or like, share, subscribe, or put this shit on playlist. But you know what, man? Just check out the real nigga, because real niggas do real things like the pimp himself. You see me out here looking marvelous, nigga, fur coat with shorts on, bitch. It's out here, man. It's your boy Pimp TV, man. And you already know what it is when the pimp is in the crib with S. Dot Lucerne. I fucks with him, and you should too, baby. Gang.
Double IS. Reroute gang, pull up gang, you know how we come, nigga. Kings, what up, nigga? Yeah. I can tell you how it happens. I'm a hit squad captain. We're a gang, pull up gang. That's my gang, you know we get it cracking. I can tell you how it happens. I'm a hit squad captain. We're a gang, pull up gang. That's my gang, you know we get it cracking. All we wanna do is bar. All we wanna do is bar. All we wanna do is bar. Sell a few grand, fucking at the bar. All we wanna do is bar. All we wanna do is bar. All we wanna do is bar. Sell a few grand, fucking at the bar.